Try to talk. Try talking.
Hi, Val.
Say something. Ow. What's wrong, Val? I pick up. It almost sounds fake. Ow, it hurt. Why you put your head back? Because they took over my body.